Old Manali Nehru Kund hiking. Right now I am in the Old Manali and I am trying to take some view of the Manali. Beautiful view of Pir Panjal range and Old Manali. Mountain last night got some snow. This is a little exposed route of this hike, just not very far from the starting point, the Manu temple over there. There are few other exposed route during this hiking, but not that dangerous. Only you have to take extra precaution. Briefing before start the hiking. Okay, today I'm hiking from Old Manali to Burwa. Last time we used to hike very frequent on this trail, but since I moved to Singapore back in 2011, I never come to here. So I wanted to come here. So today finally I got chance to come this trail. This trail is very scenic. I mean, the air is very fresh. The scenery is awesome. Very nice scenery, and not many people. Almost no people. And today the weather is not very good. It might rain in the afternoon, but luckily so far there's no rain. So I hope by the time we reach the destination it won't rain until then. In case even if rain, we are carrying our stuffs with us, so nothing much to worry about that. And actually, like this trail is not very difficult for 5 kilometers, but the beauty of the you see that side, the scenery, you can see the mountain range over there, snow that last night is freshly snow, so all the trees, the pine trees are looking very nice and white now. And very beautiful, good feeling. So, okay, let's see how. This is the cliff area of this hiking trail, but this is one of the most scenic place also. After you climb all these stairs, you go up on the top of the cliff. The view is awesome from here. While going through this exposed path, you have to take extra precaution and take some gap between two hikers and try to keep on your left. It's not very very steep, only 30 or 40 steps to the ridge up there. But view from here, this ridge is beautiful. So mostly people when reach here, they stop here to take breath and take some nice picture of the surroundings. No, I just put on YouTube sometime.
You put into some magazine?
No, just on YouTube. Okay, after the picture session, we're going down toward the Koshal village. The view is beautiful. You can see the Vasisht village in front, and since it's just a beginning of the autumn, so not much greenery. The grass are all dried now, you can see here, but it will come later in the month of May and June. All is turned into green. Lots of greenery here. Lots of greenery still here because we have this pine trees, they evergreen, but beside that some other plants and trees during the autumn time the leaves drops, so now is the beginning of the spring, so it will turn all green by next month. Okay, here is a small stream flowing from the mountain, and after we crossing this we are reaching our second rest place, and from here you will see the beginning of apple plantation, apple orchard around here. So here also we stop for some picture, catch some breath or toilet break. So after the toilet break we will continue. The dog is following us. This is a small toilet over here in the mountain for the facility of the hikers. Okay, after the toilet break it's time to go everywhere, wherever you see the beauty of the nature. It's very scenic here, snow-capped mountains. You can see the pine trees. So from here we go down, take this trail, this concrete trail here. So we're going down towards the Goshal village. Today the weather is not very clear, it's cloudy, or it can rain anytime soon, so we have to a little rush to the shelter in case of rain. This is the view of Vasisht village, and we're going down. You can see the river Byas on your right, which flows all the way from Biaskund through Kullu, Manali, Mandi, Punjab, and finally into Pakistan and Arabian Sea. So now we're going downhill. The path is very narrow and a little steep here, and a little bit slippery, so you have to be extra careful while going down. A small mistake can cause disaster. Every time you come here, you want to come again and again because this is one of the easiest hike, but very scenic. You are hiking into the woods, pine trees, apple orchards, and few local villages where you can stop and see the village life. Beautiful, tall, lush green pine trees around Manali. You can see the far, very far, the snow-capped mountains. In the summertime we used to go climb those mountains. This time it's not possible to go there. Well, these are our two security guards. They are following us all the way from Old Manali village, and I'm pretty sure they will stay with us until we finish our hike. That's the Vasisht village in front of us. Okay, after the chit chat session and some nice photographs, it's time to go down. Most probably I think this is the last downhill. After that we are approaching to the roadside. Weather was very good until now, but now it starts to rain. We are halfway, so it starts to rain. So we still have to go around 1 more hour. Not a problem, not very heavy rain. I hope it's not going to be very heavy rain. Just a drizzling, but the weather forecast says it's a heavy rain today. So maybe late in the afternoon. So hopefully by the time we reach the pickup point, it won't rain that heavy. Hoping for good. Goshal village. We are approaching the Goshal village soon. And here we go down to the village. Nerkund. And from there we will take the car and we will visit one of the largest villages in Manali. So shortly we are approaching to the Goshal village, which is the largest village in the Manali region. Barley and apple plantation here in Goshal village. It started raining again, so we have to take out our poncho, umbrella, and this whatever thing you can protect yourself from the rain. Hope it will not get worse, but it's still raining, so still we have to halfway to go. That's the Shanag village you can see in the distance. So we are reaching there soon. So after this village we have to walk another 1 hour to our destination. This is the washing place. That's how the local people wash their clothes. They bring all their clothes to the place. Here the water flowing from the mountain, and they have a nice platform to wash the clothes. So shortly we are approaching to the Shanag village. That's the beginning of the village. It's a very beautiful village. These the local Katkuni style houses. Some of them are more than 80 to 80 years old, but now they are building concrete buildings. What 100 years old? The leg of our journey today. Green one is Bali. The green one is Bali.
The green one is Bali. We can grow together.
Because that one is for animal only. So it really don't have the seeds.
To cut it for the animal.
Yes, just the hay, just the grass. Yeah.
For the kiwi, as it started to planted or grow in this region in India only first time. Otherwise,
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.